This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jill Varga. Adorable newly remodeled top floor of duplex will be move-in ready July 15, 2022. This home features a top floor apartment style unit with kitchen, eat-in area, newer gray flooring, and updated refrigerator and stove. Laundry room off back porch includes washer and dryer combo unit. This home shows a good size living room with carpet, 2 bedrooms also with carpeting, updated full bath and balcony/deck off back of home. The yard is fenced in and has shed for storage as is. New park across the street. Near to EVMS, Colley Avenue, Aju, Knob, Ghent, and downtown. Walking distance to local breweries and restaurants. 1 pet negotiable, no cats, with $300 refundable pet deposit. For more information, review the details below.